What materials do you trust most for animal proofing and wildlife exclusion?
I'm going to start at the bottom, at the wheat vents. The wheat vents, I'm either using a copper mesh or a stuff it material. Stuff it is stainless steel mesh material, and the copper mesh is obviously copper. The reason I do that is they will tarnish, but they won't rust and fall apart. Houston is extremely high humidity. Our grass dies every summer because it's hot and dry in the summertime. So everybody has sprinkler systems. So that's always going on that bottom area of your house. So that if you use substandard material there, it's going to rust and it's going to fall apart and not last. So I use those two products for that. Moving up the side of the house, um, for the gap between the brick and the board, or any holes where plumbing or any penetrations are going through the side of the house, AC lines. I use a clear sealant. For the AC lines, I'll put either a mesh or a solid piece of metal, depending on how large the hole is. The mesh is galvanized. The metal is the same metal that gutters are made out of, 23 gauge aluminum. Won't rust. So I glaze over that on the AC, but I also use the sealant all along the roof line. And I use clear because it's nearly impossible to match everybody's paint color. So I just go with clear. Um, Continuing on up the house to the soffit roof connection, we use 23 gauge aluminum. We paint it to blend in with the house so that you can't notice that we're there. We use a metal brick to fabricate it. The vents, I'm using galvanized powder coated cover roof covers for the vents on your roof. Everything is made to withstand the weather and the heat here.